There's a lot of videos on Rincon West of people driving around and showing the area, but I thought in this video I would show you the things there are to do while you're here. Rincon West is a 55 and over community with park models and RV slots. Living here for a little while makes getting our mail much easier because we have our own box, plus a few laundry rooms. There's some really talented people who enjoy getting together and doing the music jams, and it's nice to just go down and listen to them. I like the yoga classes myself, but there's so many offerings for different exercise classes. But the big draw for us is direct access to the Huckleberry Loop bike path.
Another good one.
Another one in the books. Usually we ride right out of the park, but if we want to go to a different area of the 137-mile trails, we just drive a little ways. I recognize that sound. Honk. I tried cornhole, but I'm a better watcher than player. The Hungry Javelina actually made some really good food. And of course there's bocce ball. The courts aren't very level, but it's still just fun to get out and visit with the people. On Mondays, I got to practice my Spanish, speaking with other people and playing games. I actually have a group of people who compete with the Senior Olympics in shuffleboard. We went for one hike with a local hiking group. You can see the other group behind us. They're even bigger than our group. But it was so huge, they divided up into two groups, and each group was still really huge. It didn't take long before we told them we're going to back off and hike our own hike. That was too much for me. How about you?
Yeah, it's like too many people.
Yeah,
we're too fast. They don't enjoy the scenery or.
I know. Well, and we're just used to going at our own pace.
We are.
It's good to kind of be in between the fast group and the slow group. The fast group wasn't that fast, but...
It is peaceful back here.
It is peaceful back here. Okay.
Yeah.
I guess we're too independent.
We have been for 20-something years.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, we started right here at the Painted Hills trailhead. And out here a ways. Then we got on the slingshot trail. Instead of doing the monsoon loop, we just took a shortcut back here to the Mosaic. And then we're going to end up here in like 0.2 of a mile. I think the whole thing is like 3 miles.
If you add the monsoon loop, it adds another 1 mile. And you can hike up to the Recoil Peak and to the Santa Catalina Vista too. But we're almost done.
Yep.
Ready for lunch?
I am. Let's go find something.
There's a huge library with lots of great books to trade for. And exercise programs and volleyball and the pool. But I just swam a few laps. And 2 fitness centers. The Railroad Club is more of a social interaction. Everybody goes out and watches the trains go around. They have lots of craft offerings, and this is just a few of them that they have. But who wants to spend the sunny days indoors? Their equipment's pretty nice, though. We'll show you some of the park models that they have to offer. There's a lot for sale, even the used ones. But these are the brand new ones right here. Beware of the HOA fees. Right now in 2026, they're $8,800, and they usually go up a little bit every year. And I don't think that includes the electricity or the golf cart.
Adjustable shelf, all that storage.
Let's go in the Habitat Home. It's the Audubon Society of Tucson Monarch Way Station.
I close the gate because you don't want the butterflies to get out.
There's a few flowers right now. Pollinator Paradise. I think it needs some water. Nice dog park. They offer a lot of entertainment and dances. This was a fundraiser for the local high school mariachis that are going to the competition in Denver. What senior citizen wouldn't show up for the Spud Out, the baked potato fundraiser? Have you ever considered staying in an RV resort, or have you stayed in one in the past? And have you ever considered buying a place in a 55 and over community? Let me know. Once a week, we'd get together with the neighbors and tell our stories and tell them again. Thanks for coming along.